Hold on. Honor just dropped the world's thinnest foldable phone, and it's so insane, it might just be the phone of the year. This is the Honor Magic V3 Pro, and it's not just about folding, it's about power, style, and pure innovation in your pocket. First off, the design is mind-blowing, just 9.9 millimeters thin when folded and even slimmer when open. It's rocking a massive 7.9-inch OLED inner display with a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate and an equally gorgeous 6.4-inch outer screen. Under the hood, you're looking at the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM. This thing is a multitasking beast. Gaming, editing, streaming, you name it, it's flawless. The camera system is just as wild. 50 megapixels main sensor, 50 megapixels ultra-wide, and a 5x periscope telephoto that lets you zoom in without losing detail. Plus, Honor's AI imaging makes low-light shots pop like never before. And get this, despite being so thin, it packs a 5,000 milliamp hour battery with 80-watt wired and 66-watt wireless charging. That means you can go from 0 to 50% in just 15 minutes. So yeah, this isn't just another foldable. The Honor Magic V3 Pro is rewriting the rules. Question is, would you trade your current phone for it? Drop your answer below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic tech drops.